Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will explain to you how to make Apple Watch announce the time. The Apple Watch is an amazing wearable gadget with lots of useful features. It offers a wide range of functionalities that can help to enhance your daily life, making tasks more convenient and enjoyable. One thing that Apple Watch can do is announce the time loud. This is too useful if you don't want to see the Apple Watch screen but still need to be informed of the current time. In this video, I will guide you through the process of setting up your Apple Watch to announce the time loudly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you want to know the present time, then you can see it on your Apple Watch. But if you want an Apple Watch to speak the time for you, then there is more than one method for this. Use the following steps to get an Apple Watch say time. Open the Apple Watch app on your phone. Next, open Settings and then tap on Clock. Now, tap on Speak Time toggle button. Now you will have options Control with Silent Mode or Always Speak. Select one according to yourself. On the Apple Watch screen, hold two fingers to hear the present time.
2:14 p.m.
This is the complete process to get Apple Watch to announce the time. You can also change its voice. If you want Mickey Mouse to tell the time on your Apple Watch, then follow these steps. Open the Watch app to change watch face. Then select Face Gallery and choose the one watch face from Minnie or Mickey Mouse. After this, tap on Add to get an Apple Watch face. Disable Silent Mode and then tap or double tap on Mickey to hear the time.
It's 2:19.
You can also command Siri to tell the time on Apple Watch. Just raise your watch and say, "Hey Siri," and ask for time. Siri will announce the time. You can also get chimes on your Apple Watch every hour. You can enable chimes and set its sound. On your Apple Watch, open Settings and then tap on Clock. Then you will get option Chimes. Turn it on. After this, you can select sound as birds and bells. That's all for today guys. I hope this video helped you to understand how Apple Watch speaks time. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.